Hi, I'm Larissa and I specialize in video SEO with background in psychology. And today we're going to talk about how to video SEO. First, we have to define what is a video SEO itself. Video SEO stands for Video Search Engine Optimization. Every video online has its own important parts that should be considered, and the video optimization starts by planning. If we're optimizing, let's say, for YouTube, which is the second biggest search engine in the world, behind Google, YouTube has its own metrics that help them navigate and provide whatever the users are searching for. So when you're starting to prepare your videos, you should start in the YouTube search bar. Let me structure this video by numbers because it will be easier for you to navigate the topics afterwards. First, find your seed keyword. Find your video intent. Why are you answering this question? What is the important thing you have to say to the audience and what is the answer they're looking for? Try and search in the YouTube search bar something around your topic and try to find out which are your competitors, how people are talking about your topic, and what questions they're answering. Find your perfect keyword and use YouTube as a tool to search what people are looking for. You can use the search bar to have suggestions and to see what the users are looking for and what questions are asked. Don't make the keyword list a few kilometers. It's not going to work in the long run, and it's not possible to answer every single question out there with one video. So be specific, choose a few keywords that are around something similar and go with them. The second point is to filter your keyword phrase. Try to filter queries that users are looking for, and if you're new to the SEO, query is the question in your search bar. And the third point here is to check your competitors. See what they're doing, how they're answering their question, what formats they're using, how long are their videos. Just see what's going on and try to do it better. As a second section in our video is planning and producing a high quality video. Make sure your content fulfills the user intent. Answer questions, teach, solve a problem on camera. Keep in mind the first 15-20 seconds of your video are really important for the retention, so make them catchy, interesting, something that will hook your audience. Of course, maintain production standards and make your video in high quality, really nice lighting, nice sound, and make sure your editing is cool. You can zoom here and there. Structure the video as we're doing with this video to have an introduction, some kind of small summary, body of the content, and of course other timestamps when you're uploading. This will be really helpful for your audience. The third part of our video is creating metadata and assets. And because this video is going to become a really long video, I'm going to try and show you on the go how to do it, and I'll explain everything step by step while I'm doing it. Now, I have a video that I can use to demonstrate all the different parts, and I'm going to use a separate channel of mine that I'm using for different experiments, so don't mind it. Let's go and click to create and upload videos. Right now, you have the option to select files or drag and drop. Let's select, clicking here on upload. Right now, while the video is uploading, there are going to be a few things that you are going to see here and there. vidIQ plugin that I'm using right now, and a few things I have prepared beforehand. I have the option to add a title, which is the first thing in YouTube SEO. You have to have your seed keyword or your intent keyword perfectly placed here. Ask the question you're going to answer in the video. In my case, is the YouTube promotion really worth it? Is the option that I'm going to go with. This is the video, this is how I named the video file. In vidIQ you have suggestions here that are going to give you different ideas, but we're not using this right now. Here you can add a detailed description of your video, basically answer the question with text. Keep in mind that we're working with basically machines, and this is an engine and it's going to need some kind of coding, meaning some kind of text here and there, just to see and understand what is your video about. So I have a prepared description here. You can prepare your description while preparing your whole script, or just explaining what is the video about if you're not working with scripts. Or you can ask some kind of AI agent to help you with that, but be really careful with the AI agents, because they're hallucinating and it's not perfect to use fully AI information here. Of course, if you're trained your AI agent, and if you're working with it for a long time and it knows what you're going to do, it's okay, but still just be careful. Do not put any weird stuff here. I have my description here. I'm going to use it as it is. Okay, so I have polished the YouTube description. And what's the important thing here? What is your keyword and keyword phrase? Basically, explanation what is in the video, what they'll learn in this video, and of course something you can add a fun fact here, you can add additional information, you can have something we call call to action or CTA, which is subscribe for more, watch more, follow me, or something like this, or visit the website if you're basically uploading a video of a product. And here you have a few hashtags that you can add. When we have our description, the description can be a really long one, but if you're not wanting to add a full article here, and it's not a really good idea, I just recommend to use something that is easy to consume and easy to read. If the video is longer than 2-3 minutes, you can add chapters. If you want to add chapters, let's say this web promotion confuses YouTube algorithm. Let's say it starts on the minute and 34th second. This is the way you'll do it, but to add the encoding and for YouTube to know that this is the chapters of this video, you have to start with 0 zeros. And you can add the title of the video here or just intro. Just keep in mind that they should be longer than 10 seconds, and basically this is the chapters and how they work. If the chapters does not work, there are a few metrics that you need to see and sort out beforehand. Here we have the thumbnail. The thumbnail we have prepared, of course. Clicking at your customized thumbnail, make sure your thumbnail is interesting and not bigger than 2 megabytes. We did it. Add the thumbnail that is readable and something interesting. You can make some different face or something like this. Just take a look on what is it really interesting and catchy in your niche. Here we have the playlist option. If you do have any playlist, I do not here in this channel because it's, as I said, experimental, so I don't have any kind of playlist here. You should mark if this video is made for kids or not. You should know that if it's made for kids, it will go straight to the YouTube for kids, and things like commenting and different options from YouTube are basically not accessible there. Taking that we are talking about business videos, you're not making videos for kids if you're not, I don't know, Disney. You should check if this video is altered or no. Don't be scared from this. I tried it and I uploaded a YouTube video with AI, and it was created entirely by AI. I clicked yes, it was altered by AI, and this doesn't affect my videos. And moreover, the videos that I created are 2 identical videos, one by AI and one filming like this, and AI video perform better. Don't be scared from this. And no, the specific video is not altered by AI. Collaborations, you can have a collaborator here. Of course, you can add full ownership if we're working with someone, but this is a topic for another time. Automatic chapters is the point if we want to have automated chapters, and this is helping us for the rich results too, but this video is too short to have any kind of chapters in it. So in tags, we'll add right now our tags for the video, which are prepared beforehand. And if you're looking for more ideas for tags, I'll show you right now. When we're looking for the specific query or ideas on how to prepare our keywords and our tags, you can use the search to do so. So we're doing a video on YouTube promotion, and I'm going to search YouTube promotion and see what different people are looking for. YouTube promotions review, YouTube promotions results, so YouTube promotion feature. This is the things people are interested. If I'm going to answer something on this type of topics, my YouTube video will be called "What YouTube promotion results can give you." Let me check, does the YouTube promotion work? This is the way you are going to see what is searched in your niche. As you saw, uploading a video is not that hard, but you should be prepared. It took me basically less than 2 minutes or 3 minutes to upload it, but I had everything prepared before. Uploading videos on YouTube and getting known for your video content is really a hard job. You have to upload basically every single time you can. And I'm not saying a video a month, I'm saying the most important thing for YouTube is the frequency. Upload as many as you can, and this will help you grow a lot. So now this video has the theoretical part and the demonstration part, and of course we need something more. And on avenar.com you can find the article that supports this video, and of course you can use the article as a checkbox when you're preparing your first videos. Of course, there's a lot of things flying around while preparing videos for YouTube, but still, using everything internet has to offer is absolutely best way to go. If this video was helpful, I would love for you to give me a big thumbs up, and of course you can subscribe to the channel for more information similar to this. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.